In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to ClickUp Workspace. By the end, your Gmail and ClickUp will work together so you can bring emails into your workflow and keep everything organized without switching tabs all day. First, open your ClickUp account. Make sure you're in the correct workspace if you're part of multiple teams. You can check that from the workspace selector near the top of the sidebar. It's also a good idea to confirm you have permission to add integrations. If the options we're about to use don't appear, an admin on your team may need to enable them for you. Once you're in, click More. You'll find this in the ClickUp interface, typically in the left sidebar as an expanded menu with additional settings and features. The More menu is where ClickUp keeps tools that don't fit in the main navigation, including integrations. Next, click Apps. This opens the Apps or Integrations area, which is essentially ClickUp's directory of services you can connect. Here, you'll see a range of tools you can pair with your workspace to streamline communication and automate parts of your day. Now, locate Gmail. You can scroll through the list or use the search field at the top to quickly filter results. Finding the official Gmail option is important so you get the correct integration with the full set of supported features. Click it to open the Gmail integration page. This page usually gives a short overview of what the connection does, like letting you create tasks from emails or sync important messages with your projects, so you can keep priorities visible to your team. Then click Configure and follow the prompts on your screen. ClickUp will guide you step by step. You'll be asked to connect your Google account, choose the account you want to use, and review the permissions the integration needs in order to function. Approve those prompts to continue. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow them temporarily so the authorization window can appear. When the configuration finishes, you should see a confirmation in ClickUp indicating that Gmail is connected to your workspace. That's all there is to it. To recap, open your ClickUp account, click More. Go to Apps, locate Gmail, click it, then hit Configure and follow the on-screen instructions. With Gmail connected, you'll be able to keep conversations and tasks aligned in one place, reduce context switching, and make sure important emails drive action inside ClickUp. If anything doesn't look right, revisit the Apps area to review the connection and ensure you're linked to the intended workspace.